we have learnt about verbs and we know that they can be used either as main verbs or as auxiliary verbs in a sentence. Main verbs express the main action or the state of being of the subject, and auxiliary verbs are helping verbs that complete the meaning of the main verb of a sentence. Sometimes he does his office work at home. Now in this sentence, the word does expresses the main action. It is the only verb in the sentence. Hence, this verb is the main verb. But if I say, I do like a cup of hot chocolate on cold days, then in this sentence, like is showing the main action. Hence, it is the main verb of this sentence, whereas the word do helps the main verb to emphasize. Hence, this word is an auxiliary verb. So, we see that the do verb can act as the main verb or as the auxiliary verb. As the main verb, it indicates an action, whereas as an auxiliary verb, it is used to make negative statements, questions, and to emphasize the main verb. Now remember, after the auxiliary verb do, we always write the base verb form. Do, does, did are the various forms of do verb. Now let us look at the various uses of the do verb as an auxiliary verb. We use it for emphasizing. For example, I do write with a fountain pen. So you will notice that in this sentence, write is the main verb and we have used it in its base form. We use it in the formation of questions. For example, does your dog sleep in the kennel? We also use it in the formation of negative sentences. For example, she did not ask for my help. We can also use the do auxiliary verb in the formation of question tags. For example, Dad likes baking. Does he not? Will you do a job for me? Now in this sentence, we have used do as a main verb because it is showing the main action of the sentence. Now we have earlier learnt that we use do as an auxiliary verb in the formation of questions. But in this example, we have used the auxiliary verb will to form the question. Do they open the bank at 10 a.m. on weekdays? Now in this sentence, open is the main verb and do has been used as the auxiliary verb. Now let us look at this sentence. We did not do any work in school today. Now in this sentence, do is showing us the main action, hence it is acting as the main verb, and did is acting as an auxiliary verb because it is helping us form the negative sentence. So we see that the do verb can be used as a main verb and an auxiliary verb in the same sentence. Now let us do this exercise. Identify the sentence with the do verb as an auxiliary verb. She does look beautiful in her new dress. He did the shopping. Let us look at the second sentence first. He did the shopping. Here, did is acting as the main verb, hence this is not the correct answer. In the first sentence, she does look beautiful in her new dress. Look is the main verb and does is acting as the auxiliary verb here to emphasize. Identify the do verb that is acting as the main verb. What do you do in the office? Now in this sentence, this do is acting as the main verb because it is showing the main action. The first do is helping us to form the question. Hence, this verb is the auxiliary verb. And the second verb is the main verb. So today we have revised our concepts of the do verb that is used as the main verb and as an auxiliary verb. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com or download the DeltaStep app to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStation, iPad, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So learning at DeltaStep is not just fun and easy, it is also rewarding. So register for free now.